All right. We know we need to know certain points about dedicated web. Dedicated web client is only good for LAN. That is for intranet. I will call it LAN. And web client is good both for internet as well as intranet. That is internet and LAN both. Okay. So question people sometimes ask is it true that web client is only for the web and for external users? The answer is no. It's actually used. That is our intention behind web client, that it will be used by employees, that is internal user, that is the LAN, people within the LAN. So web client is good for that, and that is the way it is typically used. Even in all the companies wherever I worked, I saw that they were using web client. Wherever Brinder is going, where all these guys are gone, they are all using web client for the internal people. There is a differentiation between users, external users and internal users. Means internal users are employees, external users are customers or dealers or whatever. So internal users also use web client because it's anyway easy to roll out. Okay, then why do we even have dedicated web client? So web client is kind of very fast. Web client is kind of very fast for the day-to-day transaction purposes, for sales reps or service reps and all that stuff. Dedicated web is much more faster than that. There are some users, internal users, who typically need a lot of speed, even more than what a sales rep would need, even more than what web client can provide. For those people, we use dedicated web client. Examples: manager who has to pull out a report of 1 million transactions in that day. We will not give him the web client. We will give him the dedicated web client, because it has to be even more fast. It has to connect to the database server directly, pull the data directly onto the laptop, on the desktop, and show it. So this is what we call as. So this is a typical need. Like in one of the companies that I'm working at, they have 7,000 total internal users. They don't have any external user. 7,000. Out of those 7,000, they have identified about 50 users who are using dedicated web client, who are going to use dedicated web client. Rest everybody is going to be using web client. Making sense? And dedicated client does not exist for the users. It's only for developers, for CL tools. I already said that.